Yeah, I'm back. Let me give y'all a little update on what's been going on. It is June 1st. We've got 1 month left at the end of the second year. I've got 3 tests coming up this Wednesday. Today is Sunday. I had an AC theory test that we just recently took. I'm happy with how I finished on that. Got another AC theory test on RLC circuits and LC circuits coming up this week. And then we have a lab quiz on that. And then I have another codology quiz. I had to finally break down and get some tabs, my codology book, and tab them up. Because when I went to study hall this past week, some of the students came in with their code books because we're all kind of scrambling to get this codology test prep in before the test. And the teachers just kept saying, tab up, tab those books up. Yesterday, instead of knocking out some homework, I spent some time with some family in the evening, but I did finally get the tabs rush ordered in on Amazon, and I practically spent like a few hours, maybe a little bit more than that, just tabbing the whole entire book. If you're wondering where I got them, that's where I got them from. I just Googled NEC 2023 book tabs, and it took me straight to the website and linked me to Amazon, and I just placed the order in. The tabs came through just fine. So the tabs come in like a little plastic sleeve like this, and it kind of gives you a breakdown of colors of the tabs for each section. And so they're gonna go in this order. Boom, boom, boom. And you flip it on the back side. So each color represents each section, basically, in the book that you can tab. I've used all my tabs, and then you get an extra sleeve of stickers. Peel one off for you. Let's see. Get a sticker that's obviously a tab. You pull it off, and you get a tab guide that comes with it. And so you can basically use a tab guide like this. That's what I did. Tab guide, line it up in the page. Like if this is the edge of the book, line it up like that. Put the page on the back side of this. Fold it. Put that part down. Peel this back, and then slap this on the other side. Now the original tabs are labeled, but these are additional tabs that you can create for yourselves. I've been dealing with allergies since like March, so excuse my snottiness. You're gonna have to deal with it. It's seshy anyway. Sheshy. So yeah. So I just tabbed everything down. I might go back and you get this little cheat sheet too. It's pretty cool. Comes with the tabs. So get a little bit of that. Wire sizes, overcurrent protection sizes for the continuous loads, and the raceway size, conduit size, PVC size, half inch, 3/4, 1 inch, whatever. Voltages for single phase and 3-phase. So it's pretty good information here. And then you got conversion formulas on this backside right here. And obviously you got Ohm's law, an electrician's best friend. That's what I got going on. Still got to study for the codology test, and I got to finish the homework too. But I thought the best move to make would be to tab all this up so that when it comes time to do all of that stuff, it's pretty efficient, So I've managed to get through it up to this point, but now I'll get through it a little bit faster. So yeah, that's nice. Yeah, that's all I got going on. So now it's just a matter of just finishing up the year, trying to finish strong, so that if I gotta take a load off in this program, I can without risking, being kicked out or failing or something like that. A senior slide, as some people will call it. I'm not trying to do a senior slide. I just don't know what's coming down the roads. Really load up my effort on the front side, and then on the back side, we'll just kind of see how it plays out. Because it seems like by the time people hit their 4th year, they're just like, man, I'm out of here, bro. I'm about to get my license and then move on and get this money. I'm paying attention to that, and I'm like, oh, okay, all right. They know something that I don't know, so I'm gonna prepare for that. So I'm just trying to go hard on the front side, and then on the back side, you know, be able to chill if I need to, because that's what I'm seeing everybody else do. Yeah, this is my update. Catch me like halfway through the week. Because the last, I don't know, it's been like 3 weeks since the last video. I just looked up and like 3 weeks have gone by. Taking some tests since the last video, and some homework, and holidays, right? Something like that. But I'll see you next time down the road. Might hit you with Watch Your Mouth Part 2. There's still more to that story. More experiences that I've had. Watch Your Mouth, and I might drop one called Watch Your Eyes. Man, I've seen some crazy stuff. Really crazy. That's another sketchy story, you know. It's on the lines as far as telling it to a, you know, on the channel. Woo! But I may decide if I want to drop that or not. Watch Your Mouth Part 2 and Watch Your Eyes. So yeah, check me out. Hey man, like and subscribe. Appreciate you, and I'll catch you next time.